In this video, I will show you how to install DeepSeek harness and how to use DeepSeek harness. Here you can see DeepSeek harness is now developer preview mode. It's not a stable release, but agent harness developers can use it worldwide. So right now it's open source. You can see you will get the source code here. Okay. And I'm using DeepSeek harness. You can see this is the interface, and here if I go to the settings and click models, here you can see I am using it using DeepSeek API, OpenRouter and Ollama. I use pre-model from OpenRouter and Ollama, and it's working. Here you can see under this model sections I am using all of these models, and in this video we'll cover everything, how you can connect custom API provider and how to use that, and even you can work with Claude, Gemini, Codex and other stuff. Okay, so let's get started. And here you can see DeepSeek harness is available as developer preview. It's a not a stable release. It's for agent harness developers worldwide and open source included. That means you can get the source code from this GitHub repository. Right now this repository is very popular, already started 162k and fork 17k, and you can get all the information here, how to use this and what you can do with it. Okay, so this is a official release, not say third-party release. You can see this is from deepseek.com, and so how you can use it. But before that, you can see here everything you get is a plugin. Every capability is a plugin that can swap and recompose. So model, tools, skill sessions, sandbox, storage loops, scheduling and the UI also a plugin. So that means here agent equal model and harness and keep agent working in real world environment. Okay, so it's based on Codex kernel and capabilities as a plugin composed with configuration. That means you can just connect it with API platform like OpenRouter, Ollama and any open source platform like Hugging Face. Even you can use this for Claude, Codex and other stuff. I will show you how you can do that. Okay, here you can see design approach. Everything is a plugin. Every run is traceable. Here you can see this is the plugin, include associations and other stuff is also plugin. We will explore all of this stuff, and every run is traceable. That means if you comment something, you will trace that. You can just see the system prompt, reasoning, tool calling and results, sub-agent scheduling and every context. Okay, so that means it's a great way to work with multi-model system. And here you can see you can change the model mode. For example, if you are just a standard user, you can turn on a standard mode. If you are a coder, you can just switch to the code mode. So for if you are a daily user, you can just switch to minimal mode, and the creator mode is also available. Okay, so all of this stuff is okay. Let's get started how to install it. Okay, for this you can simply quick start using this npx command. So for this, at first you need to make sure that Node.js is installed on your machine. So if Node.js is not installed, you will go to nodejs.org and then simply click this get Node.js and download the installer and install it on your machine. When you are ready, you can simply check it by opening a terminal, and you can simply say node space -v, and if you press enter, you will get a node version. If you get that number, that means you are ready to proceed this command. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this from here, or you can also copy it from this GitHub repository. You can see the command is here. So you will back to the terminal, and here you will simply paste it: npx space @deepseek-ai /dash/web. So if you command these commands start a web server UI. So you can see within a few seconds we'll have to proceed it. So press Y to proceed it. So here when it's done, you can see a web URL. This is something like this. You will copy this and take a new tab and then put this URL and press enter. So you can see, let me zoom out so that you can just see it. Okay, so internal testing, notice that means I already says that it's in preview mode only. So continue, and here it's asked for DeepSeek API key. So you can just put your DeepSeek API key if you have, or if you don't have, you can just say configure later. Now you will see the interface. Look, this is DeepSeek harness, and here you will have all of this stuff. You can start a session by clicking this start session. You can move to the settings, and here you can see this is general settings, and you can just switch the agent preset. For example, if you want to use PTC creator mode, so this is actually coding mode, minimal mode, and other stuff. You can just give the permission or space, so you can change language. You can just have settings to appearance, so that means you can go with dark mode, light mode, and other stuff. Here is the model option. Okay, so if you want to use DeepSeek official model, you will have to put DeepSeek API here. Okay, let me do it. I have already subscription here on DeepSeek platform, and for this actually I will just create an API key and just connect it. For example, here let me define a API key that is actually test API, and then let me click create API key. Okay, so this is my API key. I will put it here. You will create your own API key and then you will put it here. Okay, here you can just do some customizations. You can just select model and other stuff. Okay, if I just say apply now, now you can see it's added and now you can use it. Okay, so let's try to use it. For example, here let me just choose a workspace. I will go to a project directory and let me create a new project. So I will say this is DeepSeek harness. Okay, I will just create a new project and now choose this project. So you can see DeepSeek harness project is here. So we will say, for example, hi, and right now we can see it's started talking and it's very fast. You can see it runs in 1 second. If you just try to build your projects, you can just proceed it. But in this video I will show you how to connect others model providers so that you can use it for little price, or you can just go with free versions. Okay, so for this, here you will go to settings, and now here you can see under this model settings you will have provider options. You can add new provider by clicking here. You can see Amazon Bedrock, Anthropic. If you want to use Claude code, here is the options. You can see Cloudflare Workers AI is here, so there are lots of free options there. You can just access that. You can see GitHub Copilot, Google is here, MinMax, Moonshot AI is here, Opencode, OpenRouter is also available, Coin is available. You can see Xiaomi is available, and all of this J.ai is also available. Okay, so for this, if you want to use free model, you can also do that by the OpenRouter. OpenRouter provide free models also, so you can just click OpenRouter, and now if I go OpenRouter and see which model is free right now, you can see here is a search bar. You can simply search free, and now you can see, so it's actually limited. If you use free model, you can see you can use 25 plus free model for free provider, and here is the users limit also. Here is the 50 requests per day rate limit. So here let me explore the free models. If I just search free now, here you can see all of this model. Nemotron 3.5 lightning model is available, Luna S21 model available, then Northcode mini available, JLM 5.2 free is available, and others is available. If you go to the models directory properly, for example, explore models, and here if you just check free variant, then you can see all of this model is available to use for free. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply open a account on OpenRouter AI, and then you will go to the API key sections. From this interface you will need to create an API key. I will click create new API key here. For example, this is test API again, OpenRouter, then we will simply click create. This is your API key. We will copy it, and now back to here we'll put the API key here. If here you can add custom model. If I close this and back here, discover models, and you can just check the free options. You can just choose any free model from here. For example, if you want to use any model, so which one I should choose? For example, Nemotron 3.5, this is free model. You can just copy this model name, and back to here you can click add model, then this is model ID, and you will give a name. For example, Nemotron 3.5. okay, you can also get another model. For example, let me this model also. Here I will copy this, and now we'll click add model. You will paste it here and say this will be Laguna is 2.s2. Okay, it's up to you. And I will simply apply here. Two provider is added here. One is actually DeepSeek and one is OpenRouter. If I just close it right now, I have options to use it. How you can use it? Here you can see you will have DeepSeek. You can see if you just click this model options, you can see from OpenRouter you will have Nematron and Laguna S2. Okay, you can use it also. For example, explain me loop in Python. Okay, if I press enter and see it's working. So Nematron 3.5 is also working. So that's why I say you can use free model here if you want. It's great thing and I love it actually. Okay, the next thing is that if you want to integrate it with Ollama, what you will do. So here you will back again on these model sections and then click custom provider. Here you just give a provider ID, display name, then base URL, and you will choose model. For example, let me show you how we can do that. So if you want to use Ollama with here, what you will do, at first you need to go to Ollama and then simply you need to download it. So we will simply click this download button and now you will choose your operating system. If you are using macOS, the first one is for you, and if you are using Linux, this is for you, or if you are a Windows user, you will go to the third one. Okay, so I choose macOS, so as I'm using a Mac, and here I'll just download for macOS and save it. Okay, it takes few seconds to download this and then we will install it. Okay, it's downloaded and now we will install it. So let me double click here and install it. So you can see Ollama is here. I will open it. So you will see this type of interface. What you will do, you can just increase the window and you will just shift to this new chat options, and here you can see select model. You will have, this is our cloud model, and you can just load your model here. How to load your model? You back to the Ollama website, go to the model sections. Here you will see there are lots of model and you will choose model. For example, you can just, all of these are cloud model. Cloud model requires paid API, but we don't use paid model. If you need to use free model, for example, let me go with any free model. You can just download this model. Let me choose one, for example Gemini. If you want to use this model based on your PC specifications, you will pick one. For example, here 6GB is fine, or you can go with other stuff. For example, let me choose this one and see. Okay, so it's very convenient model to use. For now we will simply click here and now we will run this to get it on our PC. We will simply copy this and then we'll just take a new terminal. You keep this terminal running, otherwise your DeepSeek harness will not work. We will just take a new tab and then paste it here. Okay, it's pulling the manifest and right now you can see it's downloading. It takes few seconds to complete the download and then we can use this free model. Okay, finally it's done, and now I will close this on and back to here on Ollama. You can see the model is available here. So it's Granity 4.1 clone 3B. Okay, so you can chat with here. Look, this is not a low quality model. It's built by IBM. So this is very nice model. Okay, so how actually you connect this to your DeepSeek harness? So for this here, you can see I said you need to provide your custom provider. So for this, you need to see the documentation. If you go to here, and now from here, you will simply click this API references and you will go with OpenAI compatibility. You will click here and you can see your API endpoint or base URL will be something like this. Okay, we will copy this one and now back to here. Let me close all of this stuff. We'll provide the provider ID, so that will be Ollama. Then you can see display name will be Ollama. Okay, base URL will be this base URL, that is actually OpenAI compatibility. Okay, so we'll put this one here and make sure you will have OpenAI completion is selected. You will choose the first one and then you don't need API key because we don't use paid model here. And here you can also fetch all models. Let me click add model and here you will provide your model ID and display name. I don't do that. I will simply click fetch available model, and you can see right now on model is available because I download on model. If you have multiple model download here, you will just use all of that. You can simply click this download. You can just search any model here so to download. Okay, so as I have on model, I will simply click select, and now it says start with a lowercase. Okay, let me do it with lowercase. Okay, fine. Then I will click create provider. So you can see it's custom provider and it's available. Okay, so let's change the model. Here we will just go to models, and here we will choose Ollama model. So Granity 4.1, and now we can chat using this model complete for free. Okay, so let's try to chat here. Now tell me what is AI agent. Okay, and I will prompt this. Okay, so it says no API keys provided. Let me customize it. Okay, I need to go there. I forget to add here. I will edit it, and let me just type any API key, or you can just type ABC something like this. It's actually I just type some random words and then apply it. Okay, now you can see it's signaled green, and now maybe it will work. Okay, so let me just prompt this again, and I think it should right now work. Okay, deep diving, and wow, it's working. Okay, so now you can use the models here using the open source harness. Okay, so here you can see it's working, and you can see the starts here. So 3 turn 3 step. So LM takes 5.8 seconds. This is the cache hit, input token, output token, all the summaries here. Okay, I hope you can understand how to use DeepSeek harness with paid model, free model also available. Even you can just connect with Claude Code, Gemini, Codex, and other stuff here on DeepSeek harness. Okay,